Welcome to this 9-minute yoga flow to awaken your sacral chakra, center of creativity, sensuality, and emotional flow. Here in this easy pose, ground your energy and set your intention. Bring one leg up, cradle your leg gently in your arms, and if it feels good, rock side to side. Switch sides. We'll move to a cobbler pose. Bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees open. Inhale and lengthen your spine. As you breathe in, soften your hips. Place your hands in front of you as you sink your hips back into child's pose. Rest your forehead on your mat and let go of any tension. Surrender to the earth. In child's pose, this restores and reconnects you to your inner self. Let's move to a low lunge. Step your right foot forward. Sink into your hips. Feel your stretch through the front of your hip and your low belly. While in a low lunge, this opens the hips, awakens energy and flow. Let's move to a side angle. Rotate over. Reach your top arm up overhead. Let your side body expand like a river flowing. While in a side angle, expand into your emotional space. Let's move to a goddess pose. Turn your toes out. Bend deeply into your knees. Feel strong, open, and full of radiant energy here. Come to wide leg forward fold. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold from your hips. Let your head hang heavy. Release stored emotion here. Here in forward fold, let go and soften into surrender. We'll move to mountain pose. Feel your feet grounded. Come to standing knee to chest. Bring one knee towards your chest. Find your balance. Breathe steady and feel your core activate. Switch sides. As you balance, this strengthens your center and feel stability here. Let's make our way to a yogi squat. Sink your hips low, elbows inside the knees. Press palms together, spine tall, and breathe into your hips. In yogi squat, this deeply connects you to your root and your sacral energy. Let's come to a forward fold. Hinge from your hips. Let your head fall. Feel the gravity draw out tension. While in forward fold, this releases and resets your nervous system. While in plank, this builds inner strength and resilience. Lower down and press into your hands as you lift your heart up and hips. Shine your chest forward for upward dog. In upward dog, this opens the heart, stretches the lower belly. To a seated wide leg fold. Sit tall with legs wide. In wide fold, this awakens creativity and releases that stuck energy. Here in bridge, this energizes and balances your sacral chakra. Make our way to happy baby. Hug your knees wide, grab your outer feet, and gently rock side to side. Invite joy, softness, and release. In happy baby, this is playful. It opens the hips and the inner thighs. And let's come down to Svadhisthana. Let your whole body relax. Surrender into stillness. Feel the energy flow. Feel the energy flowing freely through your sacral center. While here in Savasana, this absorbs and ignites your practice. Take a moment to feel the softness, openness, and energy that you nurtured your hips, your emotions, your creativity, all from a place of deep inner connection. Carry this feeling with you into your day. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste.